Welcome to Recipes Salma. It's a pleasure to have you join us for another culinary adventure. Today, we're venturing into the realm of sweet delights with a special recipe. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated on all our upcoming recipes and cooking tips. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 egg with 100 grams of sugar, ensuring thorough mixing. Next, incorporate 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, followed by 3 tablespoons of orange blossom water, and stir well. Gradually add 300 grams of flour along with sweet yeast, and continue mixing until the dough reaches a consistency that is easy to shape. Once the dough is ready, proceed to the shaping stage. For this step, you will need some rose water and a small amount of sugar. Use a cup, spoon, or any other utensil to form the dough into shapes as demonstrated in the video. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the shaped dough on a baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes. Once baked, allow them to cool before serving to guests with tea or coffee. These treats are not only delicious, but also make a delightful addition to any gathering.